Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young from Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the 2020 Keystone Bullet 290 BHS. This is Keystone Bullet is the original luxury lightweight travel trailer. This bunkhouse model, you're going to find a lot of features from home right inside. I actually wanted to start right back here on the rear bath. We're on the camp side of the camper. Wanted to show you the shower. We got a single surround with the corner notches here, handle there. Tub is deep enough if someone wanted to take a bath, or a great spot if you had the dogs come with you. That's a great spot to wash them off when you get done at the beach. But the skylight with the vent fan here does give me some additional headroom, so I'm not as cramped. Got my own entry point. Plenty of room on the plastic bowl with the foot flush. Not going to be cramped there. Storage underneath my vanity, which is also the hose access. Got the brushed nickel fixtures. Power port there, mirrored medicine cabinet with the raised lip, making sure that whenever we're in transit, we're not going to have those things fall out. Hanger on the door. And take a look at these bunks. Dual windows, dual USB charging ports, as well as power. And Bob, I don't know if you can get up there and see that, but on both the top and the bottom, we have cubby holes for storage. 300-pound max capacity on these bunks. We got the 3-inch plush fur-lined mattresses here. Got the privacy curtain, the solid mounted ladder, and here on the bottom, I have some storage underneath. You can see that right there. Plus, there's my external shower access. Walk into the living area. The first thing that struck me was on this beautiful decor that they have this light interior. You really get the roomy residential upgraded feel. Just take a look at the shaker style cabinets that they have here. Brushed nickel fixtures, frosted glass inlays with good deep storage up top. And check this out. If you wanted to have some accent lighting, got the little light right there. And since that is the frosted glass with this large HD TV on the swivel, it's a great little mood lighting there. Component shelf. Furion AM FM control plus CD player. More of that shaker style cabinet with the brushed nickel fixtures. Storage here. This is a great grab and go spot, especially since I have an access point inside the bathroom. You got the backpack, the kabu bags, the water, whatever. This is a good spot to have all of that there. Got another one down here. That's a good spot for boots, dirty shoes. Don't track all that stuff inside my beautiful residential style flooring. I got the racetrack ducting system in here. Wow, that's plush. I'm gonna sit down because it's this is nice, man. Large bay window, wood valances with this flagstone decor, which is just beautiful, large, airy. This reduces out into a sleeper, and this does sleep roughly 8 people in this because we got the convertible sofa there. I got the booth dinette, which is a great place to enjoy those camp meals and reconnect with the family, because when was the last time you got a chance to have fun and just reconnect with the loved ones? It's a great spot to do it right here. Play the board games, enjoy it. I got USB power ports here and there if I needed to charge my phone. Come over here to the campsite kitchen, L-shaped. I got the seamless, continuous, molded edged countertops here. Beautiful decor. Deep well, undermounted farmhouse style stainless steel sink with the brushed nickel high-rise faucet. Only thing I'd like to see is a sprayer nozzle for that. That's the only qualm I really have. But the cutting board cover, got the pop-up USB and regular power charging station. Flush mounted 3-burner stove with the glass cover and the grill grates on top. LED accent lights for the controls here on the oven. Got the Furion down there. Got the range and the microwave. More of that shaker style cabinetry, which is absolutely beautiful, especially with the light here. It's good pantry space there. Or I would make my wife mad because she would put the dishes and stuff there. I'd throw a backpack in there. Solid wood construction on the drawers as well. Full extension on the ball bearing drives. Keystone knows what they're doing. That's a great spot for the trash can. Come around here, we got more of that pantry storage, which is also a wardrobe. So you can move these around. This would be a great spot if you had the hunting or the fishing trip to put the rifles, the rods, the whole nine. And take a look at the skylight that we have here, giving us more natural light. Got in-mounted speakers as well. 13,500 BTU air conditioner with quick cool. Got our command center over here, so if I wanted to check the battery, the fresh or the gray or black tanks, I could right there, as well as cut on the water heater. Got some hangers there, it's like a mini mud room. Got my GE controls for the air conditioner. This does have a 30,000 BTU furnace, which for a camper this size, that's really good. And with the insulation that they have here, plus the aluminum framed walls and everything, you're gonna do a really good job keeping this one where you want it as far as temperature goes. Solid pocket door walking into the master bedroom. Queen bed, walk around with the storage underneath. And check out, here Bob, I'm gonna let you get beside me here. Check out the laundry chute. So this is accessible from the pass-through storage underneath. So if you had the beach trip or fishing or whatever and everything was dirty, you wanted to throw the dirty clothes in there, bam, you absolutely could. Got the full extension drawer right there for storage. Mirrored ward. I got a large shelf up here, LED reading light underneath on this queen size bed, and see if you can get behind here, Bob, because behind the wards, we have shelf storage with pre-drilled holes and both USB and regular power ports underneath. So if you had a reading light, CPAP machine, whatever you wanted, you could absolutely put that there. It's a nice little touch. TV mounting bracket is right over here on the camp side with your key TV multi-source connection. That's just so you can have everything tied into one spot. You're not chasing wires all over the place, and your power port right there. So 2020 Keystone Bullet Ultralight 290 BHS. Fantastic for that family that wants some upgraded features and amenities inside a lightweight travel trailer. We've seen the inside. Let's go take a gander at the outside. Okay, so here we are on the outside, the 2020 Keystone Bullet Ultralight 290 BHS. Let's start right up front. I don't care what travel trailer you get, try to get one with the power tongue jack. Love these because you do have the access point up top, but LED light as well, right in front of twin 20-pound LP tanks. Got the mini diamond plate rock guard there. Molded fiberglass end cap with the LED running lights up top. Not only adding beauty to this travel trailer, but makes it a little bit more lightweight because of how they drop the frame in. Got the fiberglass exterior with the graphics, also adding some beauty to this travel trailer. Oversized pass-through storage with the magnetic anti-slam doors. Take a look at this bad boy. That is roomy. We have our own LED light in there too. So if you had room, or if you needed room for, I don't know, anything, look at this space. Plus we got a pegboard to hang up those premier fishing rods and rifles. You know the ones I'm talking about. Those ones you don't want to get damaged and dinged around because they're moving around in there and nobody will let you put them inside. Yeah. Heated enclosed underbelly, power leveling jacks. I'll show you those on the external controls once we get around there. We got a 20-foot awning on this camper, plus sealed safety tinted glass all the way around. Solid steps with the extra large grab handle, which also doubles as a door guard while in transit. Come around and we got a TV mounting bracket. So if you want to do some external entertaining, you absolutely could, because right here is your key TV multi-source connection and your power port right there. So great spot to do that outside entertaining. Back of the fridge, which on the inside, we have a 6 cubic foot stainless steel fridge, which runs on both gas and electric. On the outside, right here in the exterior kitchen, we got the little mini fridge. So if you didn't want to put things inside, you absolutely could put them on the outside. And that's all above this double axle with the extra wide berth, 15-inch aluminum wheels. Let me tell you what, those Dexter Easy Lube axles and that extra wide suspension there is really going to help keep that ride handy. And take a look at the slide out burner that we have on the exterior kitchen. So if you wanted to do the cooking, had a good catch, clean the fish up so you don't have to do it in there, cook them out here, great spot for it. I got a little storage shelf right here. My sprayer nozzle for the exterior sprayer port is right here as well, because here is the spray port. Got the fold up stairs. This is the bathroom access that we showed you at the very beginning. I got the external speakers as well, which are dual zone for the inside and outside. So you could play the music, you know, if you had USB or if you had, you know, Bluetooth you wanted to play, you could do it both inside and outside. 4x4 sewer hose storage on the back with the spare tire. Got my 30 amp plug right here. Beautiful windows there for the bunks with those double bunks we had on the inside. I mean, 300-pound capacity on those. You could easily put 2 adults up there. We got the arched ceilings with the 3-inch rubber nozzles on the back, making sure that the rain and the snow is not going to be on us or the slides. Plus, I'm set up for backup camera. Got more of that storage right here, magnetic anti-slam. That's a good little spot for some of those hiking gears, you know, the boots, whatever. If you take a look, even the hinges are covered to make sure that if they rust, you're not going to get those streaks, because they're not going to rust, they're covered. External shower. I got my black and gray tank ports right here with the dump controls. Handles are matching. We come around the living room slide. This had the sofa and the dinette and that true fit slide, making sure we minimize the use of components, which means less stuff is going to break. Other side of the pass-through storage here. And here's what I was talking about with that exterior command. We got the battery bypass, the Key TV multi-source connection. We got our city water connection, fresh water connection, black tank flush as well, a port, and the controls for our rear and front power leveling jacks. Having that is a fantastic feature. But the most important thing of any travel trailer that you get is going to be the info panel. This is where you go and check how much does this vehicle weigh. Gross vehicle weight for this one, 7,600 pounds. Unloaded weight, 5,900 pounds. That's when you want to ask your specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors, what does that mean? Here's what my truck can tow. Is this the right vehicle for me? But if you're a family that needs to sleep about 8 people and you want some of those comforts of home, the 2020 Keystone Bullet 290 BHS, it's a great option for you to check out. Lightweight, tons of stuff in it, but doesn't weigh a ton of weight. Leave me some comments down below and let me know, what'd you think? What'd you like about it? What did you not like about it? I love hearing from you, and please like and subscribe. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come check out a camper, man. They are fun.